Hey folks, MACT back, and I have a fix. Not many years ago, but several years ago, and constantly in this group, we hear a lot of complaints about exhaust in the cabin. Especially when you have heavy acceleration and things like that. You're going to smell it. And my 2008 had that smell. My 2011 Lulu Bell that I sold has that smell. My 2011 Blueberry I currently have gets exhaust in the cabin when I floor it. Now, I've come to believe over time this is just a normal thing. And we discussed what is the possible intrusion of the exhaust smells, and Ford put out big TSBs on sealing the different structures. We talked about the vents behind the bumpers as being the source. We have discussed this over and over again, yet it still persists. And I discovered almost by accident how to get rid of the exhaust smell, and it is completely gone. And I tested this out on my recent runs for my work, and during the first run I had wide open throttle, and it didn't dawn on me I had no smell. I had no exhaust smell. And then later on I said, well, the next day I'm going to test this out, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to just wide open throttle it in different conditions for different wind variances, and I got zero exhaust smell. And I know what the fix is, and I want to show you all what the fix is, and I think you guys will be surprised. Don't pay any never mind to this Toyota vehicle here. It's my token vehicle. Have to have it. But let's go ahead and see what old Blueberry did and what I did on Blueberry. And you guys are probably getting the idea right now. But you see that right there? That's right. That is the reason you're getting exhaust inside the cabin of your vehicle. If any of you have the OE flex pipe still installed, then that is why. Get under there, check it, and you will find that it has pinholes all over it, especially if it's an OE. Get it replaced. That will take and put you at zero exhaust emissions. At least that is my case. Now don't clamp it, you have to weld it. You want it airtight. So if you think I'm just going to put clamps, hey, clamps leak, they put out exhaust, you're not going to get a good seal. It has to be welded in order to function properly. But in this case, I put a new one in, and I no longer have any exhaust smell in the cabin at all. Well folks, that's it in a nutshell. I think if you go and you spend the time and the money, how much does it cost, you ask? Well, you're going to spend probably over $200. I got my exhaust resonator done and deleted along with the new flex pipe, and I got it just over $300, but I had $50 or so off discount and whatnot going with that. So expect to spend at least $250 to do that, but you will get rid of the smell. At least in my side of it, smells completely gone when I accelerate. So that flex pipe is something you need to investigate if you're getting that exhaust smell. Put a good new one in, have it welded in, and you should have the same results I did. But hey, let's try it. You guys tell me in the comments below when you replace it. Did it work? And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Like, subscribe, join my channel. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, subscribe, people. Watch these videos. Help me out and help grow this channel. I want to get to 20,000 on up, and I just need subscribers to do that. Along with the Band of One has great music. Mercy Girl's always got some one-liners. And don't forget Facebook and MeWe for MACTFORDEDGE.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.